In this lesson, we're going to find the missing coordinate of an ordered pair given the slope. Let's take a look at some examples. Find the value of x, so the line that passes through each pair of points has the given slope. So we have the ordered pair 6, 2, and another ordered pair 9, x, and we have a slope of -1. So if we recall the slope formula, it's m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, and now let's just go back and plug in. So we have m equals, m is my -1, so -1 equals y sub 2, if you want to label these, x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2, so x minus 2 all over 9 minus 6. And if you want, you could put this over 1, so now you just created yourself a proportion. And now you have -1 over 1 equals x minus 2 over 9 minus 6. Cross multiply, so 1 times x minus 2 simply becomes x minus 2 equals -1 times 9 minus 6 is 3, -1 times 3 is -3. Add 2 to both sides for a one-step equation, x equals -1. Okay, so again, taking your coordinates, plugging in, setting up a proportion, cross multiply, divide, and you might have a one-step or two-step equation. Let's take a look at another example. So 4, -5, 3, x, m equals 8 here. So again with my slope formula, so m equals, so 8 equals, again if you want to label, in this case I will, x1, y1, x2, y2, so I have x minus, be careful here, -5, over, okay, this minus sign belongs to the formula, this minus sign belongs to the coordinate, so x minus -5 over 3 minus 4, so I'm going to put this x over 1, simplify, so I have 8 over 1 equals x plus 5 over 3 minus 4, which is -1. I'm going to cross multiply here, so I have x plus 5 equals -8. Add 5 to both, subtract 5 from both sides. X equals -13. Okay, our next example. 5, x, 2, -3. Okay, so m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, using my slope formula again, so 4/3 equals. Now here you have a choice. Now you could interchange x1, y1, and x2, y2. It doesn't matter which is which. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to interchange these. And I'm going to interchange this for the simple reason that I want to lead with this x. So I'm going to have x minus -3 over 5 minus 2. Now that's a preference. You don't have to do that. The only difference is you'll have a negative at the end that you have to divide by. But otherwise it's the same thing. So this is x plus 3. So I have 4/3 equals x plus 3 all over 3. Cross multiply here. So I have 3 times the quantity, x plus 3, equals 4 times 3, which is 12. You have a choice here. You can distribute, or you can divide through by 3. In this case, I'm going to divide through by 3, since 3 goes into 12 evenly. My 3 simplify here, so I have x plus 3 equals 4. And then I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, and I have x equals 1. If you distributed, I'll show you here, this would be 3x plus 9 equals 12. Subtracting 9 from both sides, you get 3x equals 3, and then divide both sides by 3, and you see that x equals 1. So either option here. And the reason why I divided first, because I saw that 3 will go into 12 evenly, so that was probably a little bit easier going that way. Alright, let's take a look at another one. So -2, 7, x3. So again, I have 4/3 equals, and again if you want to label, x1, y1, x2, y2. So I have 3 minus 7 all over x minus -2. Combine these, make a plus sign. So this is rewriting this. This is 4 over 3 equals -4 over x plus 2. Okay, be careful here. 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Cross multiply. So this is 4 times the quantity, x plus 2, equals 3 times negative 4, negative 12. Again, I see that 4 can go into 12. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. My 4 simplifies, so I'm left with x plus 2 equals negative 3. Subtracting 2 from both sides, x equals negative 5. Okay, let's do one more, and we'll have this one with fractions. So 1/2 and negative 1/4, x and negative 5/4. So 4 equals negative 5/4 minus negative 1/4 all over x minus 1/2. So this is going to be 4 over 1. These two minus signs will become a plus sign. So I have 4 equals negative 5/4 plus 1/4. So 4 over 1 equals, I'm going to combine these, and I get negative 4 over 4. So this here will be negative 4 over 4, which equals negative 1. So negative 1 over x minus 1/2. Cross multiply. So 4 times the quantity, x minus 1/2, equals 1 times negative 1, negative 1. In this case, I'm going to distribute, because 4 does not go into 1. So I got 4x minus 4 times 1/2 is 2, equals negative 1. I'm going to add 2 to both sides, two-step equation here. So I got 4x equals 1, dividing both sides by 4, x equals 1/4.